Fun science experiments by Max on Tube.
Today!
Hello, everyone.
Today we're going to make the science. Wait, science. Today is science!
Yes, today we're making a science. We're starting a new series.
Yeah, you have to put inside. You have science experiment. You have to put all this on.
Yes, so we're starting a new series, the science experiments we got for the New Year's from our amazing family members. It's a National Geographic STEM set, and we particularly has amazing reactions chemistry set.
And watch a bug.
Yeah, it includes making glowing worms, growing a crystal tree, create color-changing reactions, and safety goggles even included, easy clean tray, and comes with a cleaning brush. So we're gonna be doing this. We're very excited. Let's open it up.
Oh, wow.
Chemist, I have my goggles. They're right here.
You have that goggles. You have left.
You're right, they're not goggles, they are glasses. So we'll see, we got all kinds of cool stuff and a mixing zinc sulfate. Let's see. Let's put it on. Let's put it all behind for now. You're ready? You're ready, Bubbles? Okay, this is the instructions on how to build a train.
Oh, okay, I can't see.
Silly science.
I can't mix. So you have the goggle.
Okay, let's open this amazing reactions chemistry guide. So it tells you how to think like a scientist. Are you the scientist?
Yeah.
And to pay attention, whatever chemical reactions occur, something changes. Observe your experiments carefully to look for all the things that might change. They have bubbles full. So it also gives you like a tools guide. It says know your tools. Kiash indicator, colorless crayon. Check out the scale before they use red cabbage powder or pH. Oh wow! So should we start with this one? Make it red with an acid.
Make it red with the acid.
In this experiment, we will use powdered red cabbage to make an indicator solution and then see what color results when it mixes with an acid.
Wait.
What to do? Fill the test tube 3/4 full of water. Make sure to use the safety goggles and experiment tray. Cautious adult supervision is required for younger children like him. And red cabbage powder can stain skin and other surfaces. Okay, we got a blank table for this, so let's hope we're not gonna stain it too much, but if we will, it doesn't really matter. It's in the name of science. We're ready to stain our surfaces, right, Bubbles?
Well, you have
All for science.
Yeah, but you have to.
I suggest we put everything behind that we're not gonna use today from this box. So we're gonna need one measuring cup, one tall cup.
Let's put it there. So
Yeah, let's put it right there. So we're gonna need, let's check, red cabbage powder and citric acid. And a test tube, we got it. Tall cup, we got it. Small scoop, we got it. Medium scoop right here. And now we need to get some 3/4 tube full of water. And we'll put this one behind for now.
Okay, this boy, every small scoop, every medium one. What's that?
Let's open this up. Fill in the test tube 3/4 full of water. Add the small scoop of a red cabbage powder to the water. We got the red cabbage powder right here.
It's very toxic.
Alrighty, now we need to take. Ooh, what do we got there?
Red cabbage.
I'll hold it for you, and you put a little scoop. And carefully now put it over here. Good job! To the water and stir the powder until it completely dissolves. Let's stir it. What color does it get?
Purple.
The solution you just created is your indicator.
Indicator is purple.
Okay, we've got our indicator ready. Awesome. I've got this amazing tray. We could put all the stuff on a tray. The next one, fill the cup or full of water, 1/2 full of water. We got it right here. Add 1 medium scoop of a citric acid to the cup.
The black cup. Need big cup? Need big. Need big one. Where's the big one?
Okay, we need to put the citric
We have
acid.
need to clean them.
Oh, this one? It's okay. It can stay right here. We can use this cup.
Yes, we.
1 medium scoop of a citric acid to the cup. Add the citric acid to the cup. This is your acidic solution.
We have more cup.
I think 1 is enough, as it says, and we just stir it until it dissolves. Is it dissolving? See, is it dissolving?
It's tomato.
It looks like a tornado.
Wow.
I think the citric acid is completely dissolved now. Now we can put it aside back on a tray. Fill your pipette with acidic solution. Put it over here and press on it. And using the pipette, slowly add acidic solution to the indicator. Oh, slowly progress. Steer the indicator while you add the acidic solution, and the solution will change color from purple to bright red. Oh my god!
Acid turns indicator bright red.
It turned red! Now, if you really want to go scientific, it gives us an explanation. What is an indicator?
It's red.
It is red. It turned red from purple. How cool is that? Chemists tell how acidic is a liquid, and by using an indicator, something that reacts in different ways when it comes into contact with either an acid or a base, the opposite of an acid.
It's a liquid.
Red cabbage contains a pigment called
Anthocyanin.
that acts as an indicator. When it touches an acid, it turns red. When it touches the base, the opposite of an acid, it turns blue. What? That is cool.
Make it blue with the base.
Make it blue with a base. Do you want to make it blue now?
Yeah.
We will need a red cabbage powder. We have it already. And now,
We have small scoop.
yep, we have a scoop, and we will need another one of this filled with water. And instead of a citric acid, we're gonna need a baking soda, which I can actually take out of the pantry, and boom, there you go. It is a baking soda. I'm actually gonna use the real baking soda instead of a baking soda from the kit and see how it goes. This is the real science right there. It's not really delicious, but we bake with it a lot, so.
I smell like baking soda. I smell like I love it.
Okay, we got the water and a small scoop of a red cabbage solution.
I got it.
Okay, we're gonna add the red cabbage solution again. Go ahead and stir it. So what color is our indicator, Bubba's?
It's purple.
Our indicator is purple.
Stop.
Now we fill the cup with full of water, 1/2 full of water, and add a medium scoop of a baking soda cup. Got a baking soda from the pantry.
Yes. Okay.
And let's stir now.
Nice, dear.
Baking soda is the base.
It's your white.
It's kind of turning. We have to mix it until the water is clear. Now grab your pipette and fill it with the base solution. Oh, let's turn it around right here.
Do like this?
And add it slowly to the base. This is called the base. And add it to the indicator. And we will see the magic from it. It's turning from a deep blue. It's kind of like hard to see, but I do see the change. Maybe if we add a little bit more of a base, we will see the more vibrant colors popping out. It is. It actually is. Do you see it's turning blue?
Yeah. What?
So what did we learn in today's experiments, Bubba's? We learned that the red cabbage powder is an indicator.
A brown?
And this indicator we can turn red with an acid and blue, and we can turn it blue with the base.
But where you make it? This circle.
And it's
tomato.
changing. Yes! And we were making the little tornadoes with the base and with an acid. Amazing fact that we learned from this skit. Farmers rely on the soil to grow healthy crops, so they will measure the pH on their soil to see the acidic or alkaline. Knowing the pH of the soil, we will be able to support a specific crop. Blueberries and white potatoes, for example, require highly acidic soils, while many other crops can tolerate low pH levels. That is amazing.
The power of purple.
Next experiment, we're probably gonna turn the power of, we turn this into purple.
You know, you touch it.
Yeah, let's do it. Now let's turn it purple. You want to turn it purple?
Yeah.
Okay, this experiment is called the power of purple. So, we got 2 plain waters here, and use a beaker to measure 50 milliliters of water in each test tube. Add 1 small scoop of a red cabbage powder. Come here, Bubba's. Of a red cabbage powder to each test tube and stir to dissolve. Okay, we're adding a small cabbage powder to both tubes right now. Go ahead.
You have to mix a 4 teas or water.
Yep. And then the other one too.
And I mix.
Yes. Mix it. Mix it well.
Oh, it turned purple.
It did turn purple.
Next is again.
Mm-hmm. Put it in the other tube.
Let's mix again. I did it.
Good job. It looks good. You see how deeply purple both of this are? Now add 1 big scoop of a baking soda, one of the test tube, and stir to dissolve. The solution turns blue. This is your basic solution. Okay, let's make a basic solution by adding the scoop of a baking powder in one of those. Yeah, we're making a basic solution. And stir it well. See, it's turning blue. And yeah, see what we've seen how the color changed from purple to blue. I hope you can see it as well. Add 1 big scoop of a citric acid to the other test tube. We got a citric acid right here to over here. Over here into purple one. Oh, see how instantly it turns red? You don't have to steer. This is a pure magic right here. And we place both of our solutions into 1 cup and see the fizzy reaction. And the liquid is gonna have to change purple again. Go ahead and pour it, but pour both of the solutions into 1 cup. Go ahead. You can do it, Bubba's. You want me to do it?
I want it.
Come on, you place 1, I place 1. Ah, it is turning fizzy. Whoa! Look at all these bubbles that we got. And it keeps bubbling. Oh my God. You hear that?
It's moved over. It's soda.
Ew, it doesn't smell like soda, but it most definitely turned super purple after we mixed both of this solution. Why did it happen though, will you ask? When baking soda and citric acid solutions react chemically, they produce water, sodium citrate, and carbon dioxide gas. It's the carbon dioxide gas that makes the mixture froth and foam. Oh my God!
We actually breath out carbon dioxide. It is produced inside our bodies by cells breaking down food for energy.
Oh my God! A solution is essentially 2 substances that are evenly mixed. When you work with chemistry or even cook in your kitchen, you will often dissolve solids into liquids. However, solutions can also be gases dissolved in liquids, such as carbonated water, which we got over here. Solutions can also be gases in other gases, like an air that surrounds us every day. And in liquids, such as anti-freeze water in the cars. Awesome! So what do you think about today's experiments, Bubba's? Did you enjoy them? Should we keep doing the science experiments the next time? Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video in our amazing chemistry reactions. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, like and subscribe.
Bye. Let's figure another science day. Bye.
Bye.
Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more toy videos.